Hey, what's going on? This is Vladimir. I would like to address a very important issue in the advertising space, and that is knowing who your visitors are. I mean, who they really are. So let's take this as an example. Let's imagine that you are driving 1,000 visitors from Facebook and Google to your landing page, and this landing page has 5% opt-in rate. Now, what that means? That means that 95% of people are completely anonymous. You don't know their phone number, you don't know their email, you don't know basically who they are. Now, let's imagine that you are able to put a pixel code on your website, and now, thanks to this pixel code, you are able to resolve 60% of identities of these people. So, what that means is that now you are able to tell 950 people times 0.60. So you are able to tell who these 570 people are. You know their email, you know their phone number, and you can now follow up with them. So as a business, you should have some kind of a reactivation sequence. So let's imagine that this reactivation sequence has 10% success rates, 10% opt-in rate. That means that now you are getting 57 new leads to your business for doing nothing else, only installing the pixel. So, and if you are spending $50 per lead, that means that you are spending 2,500 to get 50 leads. All of a sudden, you are getting now 57 leads for doing nothing just by installing a pixel. So this pixel code is a new technology we have been working on. It's a large database of 1.5 billion email addresses in the USA, and you just plug it to your website, and you are able to tell who these people are for all this cool stuff. So feel free to reach out, and I will be able to tell you more information about this technology. Thanks.